Maker Max here, how to adjust the parking brake on a third generation Mazda 3 from 2013 to 2018. First thing you gotta do is pop this open and remove this plastic by gripping back here and pulling up pretty hard on it. Alright, you don't have to take the plastic all the way off. We're trying to access a bolt under here. Let's get a closer look. So right here's the parking brake, and here's the bolt you have to tighten. It's 10 millimeter. Just take a 10 millimeter socket, tighten it up. How tight do you go? Enough so when you start pulling this a little bit, you feel some resistance. All right, and then when you're done, you just kind of snap everything back in place. Just make sure you get these tabs lined up, like this one's on the outside, so we'll have to lift that up. Push that guy back in. And just push down on everything. There we go. Try it out.